Hi, my name is Chresan and Ranches. I am a section chief of Hitachi Air Conditioning Product Philippines, and I am based from Philippines. Johnson Control Hitachi Air Conditioning is focused on air conditioning. We have window type to BRF, big capacity. So we can market home appliance and the commercial buildings can supply air conditioning.
And can you tell us about your target market?
Our target market is home appliances, which is residential, and the second one is the commercial buildings. We supply air conditioners.
And what is your plan for next year?
In our company, we have a lot of product. We launched on February 2020. We have a dealership convention. Will be held in SMX MOA also. So all products of Johnson Control Hitachi will be exhibited on that day.